Good morning, dear students. I am your EVS teacher, Miss Kajal Kamra. Today, I will be teaching you chapter number 7, that is sound. Let's start. So, children, first of all, you need to understand that what is sound. Okay? So, I am going to explain you what is sound. Sound, children, is a form of energy that can be heard and travel in waves. You have seen that we hear many sounds around us, and how we are able to hear this sound with the help of our ears. For example, when a school bell rings, the parts of the bell will vibrate, creating sound. Have you noticed this? When matter vibrates or moves back and forth very quickly, a sound is being made. So children, sound is a form of energy that you can hear caused by something vibrate. Something has to be vibrate, then only we are able to hear sound with the help of our ears. We mostly communicate, children, with each other by talking and listening. So sound travel in the form of waves. We hear many sounds around us, like as shown in the picture, the sound made by the alarm clock, the child is crying, the bike, the sound made by the bike, and the various sounds that you can see in the picture. The girl is shouting, that is also a sound produced by her. So there are various modes of sound we can see. Other example of sounds are shown in the picture, like ringing of a bell, alarm clock, sound made by the birds when they sing, sound made by the various musical instruments, as you can see in the picture. Now, students, I will explain you that what are musical instruments. We all love to listen to music in our life. So, musical instrument helps to produce music. And there are different categories of musical instrument. So first, I will be explaining you what are string instruments. String instruments, children, are musical instruments that produce sound by means of vibrating string. You can see in the picture the strings are there. With the help of these strings only, the music is being produced. And you can see the various examples also. Various examples include guitar, sitar, violin and piano are the examples of some string instruments. Okay, now I am going to explain you about what are wind instruments. Wind instruments are the instruments in which vibration of the air produces sound. When the air is being blown in this instrument, they produce sound. And what are the examples? Like flute, shehnai, clarinet are examples of these kinds of instruments. Now students, we are going to discuss about percussion instruments. The percussion instruments, children, are those musical instruments which are sounded when the player touches it. They produce sound by being struck or when they are clashed together. They are commonly referred as a heartbeat of the musical world because it plays a very important role in this world. And some examples include that are bombo, tabla, cymbals and drums are some of the examples of these kinds of instruments. Okay students, I hope you all understood this chapter with the help of this video. Thank you, and do take care, a very good care of yourself.